Tired of laggy Minecraft servers and ready to build an awesome world with your friends, but don't want to pay a monthly fee? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 free Minecraft server hosting providers, comparing them on performance, ease of use, and the features they offer, ensuring your server runs smoothly without emptying your wallet. Before we jump in, remember that free hosting will have limitations. You might experience occasional lag depending on player count and server activity. But these providers still offer great value. We'll be searching for platforms with good uptime, easy setup, and reliable player slots. But please consider the performance as the trade-off. Coming in at number 5 is ProFreeHost. They offer a user-friendly interface and generous resources for a free server. ProFreeHost has a large amount of player slots, making it a good start for playing with friends. Next up at number 4 is Aternos. Aternos is incredibly easy to set up. It features a simple and intuitive control panel, automated backups, and a vast selection of mods and plugins. However, it may experience intermittent lag during peak hours. At number 3 is Server.pro. Server.pro provides you with a considerable amount of server performance, but remember to manage resources to avoid lag. Be sure to check out their free plans and see if it's the best fit for you. Number 2 on our list is Server.pro. They have customizable options for your server, including mod and plugin support. This one is definitely worth checking out. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is Minehut. This provider offers a generous amount of RAM, automatic backups, and a bustling community for support. Minehut is an excellent choice for your free server. So there you have it, the top 5 best free Minecraft server hosting providers. Each offers a unique set of features to help you build your perfect Minecraft world with your friends without spending any money. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments which free server you'll be trying out. Happy crafting!